Well, I'm out here today trying to get ready to put this pipe in this trench. I've got to knock down a few high spots, but been stretching the pipe out, and now I've got to measure what I have stretched out here. Let's see what I got. I got a measuring tool here. If I can get it set on 0, we'll get started here. We are right at 1 inch. I'll kind of guesstimate. We got to walk this whole entire thing to get a good measurement. Try and get a general idea. I've been saving this pipe for years. Somebody gave it to me, and I said, well, I told them, I said, well, I don't think I ever need it. I was wrong. About $200 worth of pipe, I think. So, trying to get this wheel to go over this rough ground and measure it. Well, she don't like them rough rocks. A little too coarse for it. I got this long piece here, and I've got a shorter piece, about 80 foot. I think I got more than enough. Let's see where we're at. We're up to 155 foot and still going. No, I don't have the coronavirus because I'm coughing. How ridiculous is that? I notice whenever you cough in public, people look like somebody shot a gun, and you're trying to figure out whether they should run to their cars or not. It's gotten utterly stupid. 230 foot, 10 inches more or less, so that's not too bad. If you don't believe me, there it is. So I got to do that now. I got to drag it out there and clean the hole out. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do all that today or not. It's pretty humid. Even though it's overcast, it's right hot. Got a good bit of other stuff to do. My little pretty onions there. I need to get another one and volunteer it, but I really want to let them grow and get its maximum size. So I thought I'd let y'all know that I'm just goofing off today. This is stupid video day. Actually serves no purpose whatsoever. Just something to do. I gotta get a faster speed for my internet so I can get the darn things to upload quicker. Freaking 10-minute video takes 3 hours to upload and ties my computer up. So I gotta get this in there. That's gonna be the next project. I get that done, and then I can fill the hole back in. Unless I decide to buy another piece of drain tile. I don't know if I want to do that or not. Money's gonna start getting tight here pretty soon. Gotta get things ready for winter. I've got to get a load of firewood in here for emergency wood, because I really don't want to have to go back out there in the woods and cut it down and drag it down with the ticks and all that stuff. It's actually worthwhile to me to just buy it and get it and brought in. Then I can stack it up at my leisure and cover it up and let it dry, finish drying. So I thought I'd let y'all know that I'm out here today trying to do something. And I hope y'all have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye.